హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు ఆంధ్రప్రభ. నేను మీ యుమ. సో రీసెంట్గా హిట్ అయిన డెకాయిట్ సూపర్ హిట్ ఉంది. మన అందరికీ తెలుసు, మామూలుగా లేదు. అడిశేషు అనగానే మన అందరికీ చాలా బాగా నచ్చుతారు. డిఫరెంట్గా ఏం చేస్తుంటారు, ఆయన మూవీలో ఏముంటుందని అందరూ మూవీ లెవర్స్ అయితే డెఫినెట్గా డెకాయిట్కి వెళ్తుంటారు. సో వెళ్ళారు, సూపర్ హిట్ అయిన మూవీ. సో ఈరోజు మనతో పాటు డెకాయిట్లో ఒక చైల్డ్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ చేసింది, ఎంత క్యూట్గా చేసింది. సో ఈరోజు తను మనతో పాటు ఉంది, ఎవరో కాదు, అనం కౌర్. హాయ్,
Hi.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Fine.
సో లుకింగ్ గార్జియస్ డార్లింగ్.
Thank you.
యాహ్! అసలు ఎంత క్యూట్‌గా చేసిందంటే ఈ మూవీలో. యువర్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఈస్ సూపర్బ్ అండ్ యువర్ ఎక్స్‌ప్రెషన్, ఐ యామ్ ఎ బిగ్ ఫ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఎక్స్‌ప్రెషన్స్ డార్లింగ్.
Thank you.
యాహ్! ఓకే. దెన్ టెల్ మీ హౌ టు గెట్ ద ఆపర్చునిటీ ఫర్ ద డెకాయిట్ మూవీ?
First they called me for the audition and they selected me.
ఆ! ఇది జస్ట్ సో ఓకే. ఇప్పటికి హౌ మెనీ ఆడిషన్స్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ మూవీ కెరియర్?
One.
ఓన్లీ 1
No
ఇన్ బిఫోర్ ద మూవీస్.
scenes.
హ్మ్.
Scenes, a lot of scenes of me.
ఓకే. సో విచ్ ఏజ్ యు స్టార్టెడ్ ది యాక్టింగ్?
4.
4. Okay, how many movies you can do?
I have done The Silent Prayer, Surya, Like, and Decoy.
Dacoit. Dacoit is a blockbuster hit.
Hmm.
Yeah, you were recently done the Love Insurance. Yes.
Yes, I had done Love Insurance complete too.
Okay. In this movie, Kriti Shetty daughter. Then tell me your character in Love Insurance.
Kriti Shetty, the actor, the Didi, smaller version.
Okay.
I was
So Kriti Shetty child చిన్నప్పుడు ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ లేదు. Child character. Yes. Yeah. Tell me your favorite dialogue in Dacoit.
Mm, I have 2 favorite dialogues. Oh, doctor, and one na pranam none of that one.
Yeah. Yes. Actually, na pranam ranu is one of my favorite dialogue also.
Hmm.
So super కదా. It's like a real daughter and mother bonding is I'm seeing in the theater.
Hmm.
So then tell me your compliments in the team or out of your family members.
They congratulated me and they were really happy for me.
Okay. So actually, we're coming to the movies. Your choice or your parents' choice?
They were happy
Mm.
and they congratulated me too.
Yeah. आपका movies पसंद है ना?
I like the movie.
Oh, आपका favorite movie कौन सा है?
The cartoons movie like the Harry Potter
Mm.
and K-pop Demon Hunters.
Okay. Then tell me the favorite hero.
I don't watch movies.
Okay, you're watching only cartoons.
Yes.
Okay, then tell me coming to the movies, the your choice or mama choice or father choice?
I have done the audition and they selected me. Anybody has not done the choice.
Okay. So then tell me your favorite or mama or papa?
Both but Papa.
Papa. Yes, always అమ్మాయిలకి ఫాదరే హీరో అండ్ ఫాదర్ అంటే ఇష్టం కాబట్టి then tell me about your father.
My real father?
Yeah.
Oh, he is good.
Okay. You're proper from?
Proper for me.
Like your negative place. Native place.
I live in Delhi.
Oh, Delhi. Okay. Which class are you studying?
I am studying in second.
Second.
I have just come in second.
Okay. Which age you were start the movie career?
I started 4 when I was age 4.
Okay. आपका friends से देखे ना आप movie?
Yes, they watched the movie and they liked it.
Oh, liked it. Then tell me about the Mrunal ma'am.
She is good. She helped me and she never scolded me.
Oh.
She gave me gifts.
Oh, okay. Okay. ఏమేం gifts ఇచ్చారు?
She gave me a bag with accessories and she gave me lots of toys and she gave me a bracelet kit. We make the necklace and The necklace was so good. Shishpriya wear it.
Okay. So, how many days you were working in a Decoit movie?
Mm, days. 15.
15 days. Okay. Then tell me the about the Seshu sir, Advi Seshu sir.
He is good also. We played games. We sing songs
Oh,
and we dance also.
oh, you sing songs and dance. So can I song for one for me?
But Ronaldo or Adivashish Bhaiya,
Mhm.
we sing Bruno Mars.
Okay, done. Can song.
I can sing that song.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. That song.
Oh, nice. Okay, then tell me the funniest moment in the shoot locations.
We played games in the one scene. There was a scene we was playing games. Ronaldo, Didi, and me. We played Ringa Ringa Roses and types of games.
Okay, then tell me the Adviseshu sir is requesting me the please Anam wait for the one more take. It's a
When I was small,
Mm.
Supriya Didi, when I want to shoot, I shoot, and when I don't want to shoot, I say Supriya Didi, and she says pack up for Anam, and then the director said, and Adivya say just one more scene.
ఓకే. సుప్రియ మ్యామ్ చెప్పేవాళ్ళ ఇట్స్ డన్ తను వెళ్ళిపోమనండి. ఇంకా తన షూట్ అయిపోయింది అన్నప్పుడు సో, దెన్ అడవి శేషు గారు అండ్ డైరెక్టర్ గారు ఈస్ రిక్వెస్టింగ్ యూ.
Hmm.
అవునా? సో, ఐ హర్డ్ వన్ థింగ్. యాక్చువల్‌గా నువ్వు యాక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు కంపల్సరీ మృణాలిని గారు కూడా ఉండాలి అని చెప్పేసి అడిగేదానివంట కదా! ఇట్స్ ఎ ట్రూ? అంటే లైక్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ యాక్టింగ్ అండ్ యూ ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ ద మృణాలి మ్యామ్ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ విత్ ఫర్ ద సీన్.
Yes, when I was small,
హ్మ్.
if Ronaldo was not shooting
Hmm.
and she was not on the set, I will not shoot.
Oh.
When she was there, I will shoot.
But why?
I don't know. My mind is everybody is good.
Okay. So, you and Mrinalini ma'am is looking like a real mother and daughter.
Mhm.
You know that? But
Yeah.
why?
I think with eyes or dimples.
Yes. Your dimples, your eyes, you are
Yes.
looking like a real Mrinalini daughter.
Mm.
Yes, yes. Then tell me, is any in shooting time, if you any shot or any time you feel very bad, like no, it's I don't want to do the shoot.
No, not any scene. Every scene was good.
Okay. So then tell me about the Supriya ma'am.
Supriya Didi gave me lots of care. She
Hmm.
gave me a smelly thing. When I was sick on the set, I smelled it and I feel so energetic in my body. And she gave me a candy. When I was small, I was little bit of naughty and I want some candies every time. So she said, give her these candies. These are little bit of sour and little bit of healthy also. And I liked it also.
Oh, okay. So tell me the your favorite time with Munal ma'am and Adiseshu sir.
Every time they played with me, we do lots of fun on the set. And there are lots of bells on the set, so we rang all the bells.
Okay. Yeah, then tell me your favorite food.
Favorite food? I eat every food.
Oh, yes, some favorite is there now. Is a candies or a pav bhaji or what? Which food your
Um,
favorite?
I eat everything.
Eat everything like a good girl.
Mm.
Then tell me the naughty things in set.
We do lots of things. The editor was the PK matlab. He was doing and he was editing and Rinaldi and me were sitting back. So he was really ticklish. So we tickled him and he was really shocked and he was so much laughing.
Okay. Then you tell me then some good memories with the Showtime.
Mm, we played lots of games and in a auto scene
Mm-hmm.
Rinaldi was saying anything in Marathi types, Tamdi Samdi types kuch. She said me to say it. My tongue, I cannot say it. Like I was really trying to say it, but my tongue, I cannot say it. Like
Okay, it's a difficult, na?
a little bit of difficult.
Little bit of difficult. Okay, తెలుగు కూడా డబ్బింగ్ నువ్వే చెప్పావు కదా?
I have done a Telugu dubbing.
Okay, it's a tough.
No, they repeat the lines and I repeated.
But how can possible with expression with Telugu dialogue?
In the dubbing, there was a bhaiya, Karthik bhaiya. He gave the script to Mama and Mama teached me. And when I was on my house and I can not go to the dubbing, so I learned at my house and I said it in the voice note.
Okay, actually, which one is helping your Telugu dialogues? Like Mama is a no, I think she don't know Telugu. I think
No,
so.
she
Papa
didn't
also
know.
he don't know Telugu. So ఎవరు హెల్ప్ చేసేవాళ్ళు నీకు ఎక్కువ?
Um, there are lots of Telugu girls and boys on the set, so they teached me.
Okay, ADs are all are there, na? Yes. Then tell me your costume. You're looking like a simple princess. So then tell me about your costumes.
There was really simple outfits, blue color outfit.
Yes.
Lots of simple, I like it.
Okay. So once ही आपके एंड सेशु सर के लिए एक सीन है ना, ये सरप्राइज गिफ्ट था ना, ये सीन अच्छा, मेरे का बहुत अच्छा है ये सीन. So tell me the dialogue for that scene.
That the magic one scene.
Yeah.
Oh, my dialogue was promise.
Yes.
Promise? Like I said it.
Okay. But ये सरप्राइज है था ना, ये बोला था ना सरप्राइज है, ये गिफ्ट में एक ही सरप्राइज.
Locket.
Yes.
The locket was magical.
Yes.
There was a button. If we pressed it, any ring comes out.
Yes.
So there's 3 types of lockets. First, there was a key. Second, there was a ring. And third, there was a stick type thing.
Okay.
Magical stick.
So आप एक ही है ना आपके sister or brother?
No, I am alone.
Okay. Then tell me the favorite hero in Telugu. You don't know in Telugu movies or
I have done one Telugu movie.
you are watch Telugu movie?
No, I don't watch Telugu.
Yeah, tell me the favorite actress in Telugu.
Ronaldi.
Ronaldi. So just wait. You were watching Adipurush?
Yes, I have watched Ramayan.
Okay. से हीरो प्रभास है, आपके मालूम है? प्रभास, हीरो प्रभास. Okay, you know. So पापा इंके क्यों इब्बंदी पड़ रहा है? Actually कितने cartoons you like only for the cartoons, yes darling?
Yes.
Yeah. Then tell me the throughout movie, which sequence is the more like it?
Which movie?
Throughout Dacoit movie, na? Which sequence you more like it?
The locket one. I like the locket one and the playing scene.
Okay. Then tell me is it difficult for the doing your scene? Which scene?
Difficult? There was one scene. Dana Nintnak Miss Gold Side Telsa. When I was small, I was practicing to say this line, but I cannot say it. And 40-60 takes we take it, and just one scene was good. The dialogue was really difficult for me. I
Oh,
was 4 or 5 age.
okay. Then tell me the dialogue. आपका रिमेम्बर है ना ये डायलॉग? बोला था एक बार.
Nana, Nanna school, such and salsa. Up now it is not difficult for me.
Actually, 40-50 takes. I think you are learn the dialogue. Yes. Yeah. To tell me about Kruti Shetty, ma'am.
She is good also.
Hmm.
She tell me lots of poses
Hmm.
from my hands.
Okay. So then you were meet in Pradeep Ranganathan? No,
No.
just only Kruti Shetty.
Hmm.
Yes.
And the director, sir.
डायरेक्टर सर. ओके. आपके फेवरेट सिंगर गाना मेरे के लिए एक सॉन्ग
Justin Bieber.
जस्टिन बीबर. सो मेरे के लिए एक सॉन्ग.
I have learned that my best friend Randeep and I have the best song. He loved Justin Bieber too.
Oh, okay.
Where he told me he is a very good singer. When I see the song and when he sang the song, I was liking it. It was good.
Okay. So ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్
I don't know.
यू डोंट नो. आपका मम्मा के ना. आपका
Mama,
मम्मा से
no.
पूछे थे ना. एनी अपकमिंग रिलीज मूवीज इज देयर ना यार तेलुगु और तमिल
Tamil is like
like okay done Telugu in decoit. Ante.
Telugu and Love and Sons company is in Telugu also, I think.
Okay. Okay done. Okay నేను ఒక తెలుగు పోయం నేర్పించిన
I don't know Telugu.
తెలుగు. ఓకే జస్ట్ నేను చెప్తాను రిటర్న్ చెప్తావా? చిట్టి చిలకమ్మ. నో డోంట్ డన్. ఓకే ఇట్స్ ఓకే. సో ఓకే దెన్ ఎనీ తెలుగు డైలాగ్?
From Dacoit movie?
అయ్యా డెకాట్ మూవీ ఆర్ పుష్ప?
Pushpa movie?
yes yes
I have not watched it.
you are not watching. Okay I'm telling the dialogue, just repeat it. Okay తగ్గేదేలే.
The Kerala.
యా జస్ట్ ఇట్లా లైక్ తగ్గేదేలే.
The Kerala.
యా ఇట్లా లైక్ దిస్.
Oh,
It's a
I've
signature.
seen that scene.
Yeah.
Everybody was saying it when it's released.
Mm.
Mm. The Kerala.
తగ్గేదేలే.
The Kerala.
Yes yes
The Kerala.
yeah so cute. Yeah then tell me if you're in future so you're an actor or a doctor?
I have 3-4 options, I think. Actor, singer, and an artist.
Oh
I love to do DIY. It's my hobby.
okay. Actor and singer.
An artist.
Oh super. So then tell me the papa compliment for this movie.
Mm,
What you
Um,
said papa?
he was really happy for me.
Yes.
Mm.
Say something, anything for you. Same thing for papa.
He said me congratulations and he gave me lots of love also.
Then tell me the your last dialogue in the movie.
Last dialogue. I don't know, remember, but I know 4-5 dialogues.
Okay. Then tell me the your favorite dialogue.
My favorite dialogue is Mana Pranam Nanavu, that. It's smaller and I love it also.
Oh, so cute. So cute. And thank you for the coming and all the
Welcome.
best for your future.
Thank you.
ఓకేనా? సో ఇంకా తెలుగులో చాలా మూవీస్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ టైం నువ్వు తెలుగు కూడా నేర్చుకొని రావాలి. ఓకేనా?
Hmm.
నేర్చుకుంటావా? యు లెర్న్ తెలుగు?
Yes, I have.
Yes. సో క్యూట్. సో ఇలానే నెక్స్ట్ మూవీ కూడా డెఫినెట్‌గా ఎవరైనా డెకాయిట్ చూడకపోతే గనుక చూడండి. సో షీ ఈస్ వెరీ క్యూట్ అండి. చాలా బాగా చేసింది. సూపర్ సక్సెస్ అయింది మూవీ కూడా. అండ్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ లైక్ చెప్పాలి అంటే మన ఇంట్లో ఒక చిన్న పాప చేస్తే ఎంత బాగా క్యూట్‌గా చేస్తుందో. అండ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ బ్యారియర్ ఏమీ లేదు. ఇట్స్ లైక్ తెలుగు అమ్మాయిలానే అనిపించింది. లైక్ మీరు కూడా చూడండి. వాచ్ మస్ట్ అండ్ డెకాయిట్ అండి. సో ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ కోసం చూస్తూ ఉండండి ఆంధ్రప్రభ. థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Welcome.
హ్మ్.